The customer violently tested the direct cooling block ice machine. On March 19, 2023, the spectacular customer production site. Machine configuration: machine daily capacity, 50 tons, twice-a-day ice block weight, 50 kilograms. Others: configure special cold storage and automatic ice pushing and storage functions. After the installation and testing of the machine, the engineer instructed the customer to operate the machine to make ice by themselves. The quality of the ice is very good and the operation is very simple. However, customers are still uneasy, worried that the machine may malfunction after the engineer leaves. Without the engineer leaving the factory, the customer began to brute force test the performance limit of the machine. The specific operation is as follows. 1. Normal temperature water, cold boot, the water temperature is about 20 degrees. 2. Continuous startup, rolling and uninterrupted production. 3. Try to adjust the ice making time to less than 9 hours, and ice curing for 1 hour. 4. After 12 minutes of de-icing the normal temperature water, start to lower the sealing water platform. 5. It takes a total of 5 minutes from the start of de-icing to the completion. The whole production process is very smooth. For a large ice block of 50 kilograms, the actual ice making time is only 9 hours, and the quality of the ice blocks is also very good. Customers are very satisfied with our machines and have more confidence in the performance of the machines. The customer said, "If we follow this ice production speed, we can not only save a lot of electricity bills, but at the same time, during the peak demand period, we can produce one more shift of ice in 2 days." The super large direct cooling block ice machine has relatively high technical requirements for the machine, and ordinary factories do not have such experience and technical reserves. Then, for us, it is indeed a very easy thing. The customer's test results just reflect the strong technical strength of our factory.